وذكر فإن الذكرى تنفع المؤمنين.
We have a topic that is very broad. It can be discussed from more than 1,000 angles. Who is a Muslim and who is a good Muslim? The reality is this would govern the entire life that we lead from point A right to Z. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala grant us goodness and may He make us more conscious of who we are. The first question I need to ask myself is, where was I before I was born? Then I need to ask myself, where am I right now and how long will I be here? And then I need to ask myself, where am I going to go after my heart stops beating and this body of mine is separated from the soul? Every one of us should be bothered about the answers, and we should not rest until we are satisfied with the answers. We will have to go to the Creator and Maker, because lost are those who believe that we all just came into existence coincidentally. That is definitely very foolish. May Allah protect us. It is the height, or should I say, the lowest level of intellect, if we can even connect it to intellect. However, a growing number of people feel that we are here in this world and we were just here coincidentally. We need to enjoy as much as we can, and we need to reduce this beautiful life to a little period of entertainment, and once we've enjoyed ourselves with whatever makes us feel good, then when we die, we just disappear into thin air. Sadly, this is growing to a certain extent, but I'd like to give you good news that there is a revival of religion and faith, more so that of Islam. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala strengthen us. My brothers and sisters, today the globe promotes entertainment as being the reason that you were brought into this world. So people every Saturday night, they are gone for the dance, they are gone to the clubs. Every other evening they are on weed, and perhaps they might be smoking all sorts of items, maybe marijuana and so on in this part of the world. And they might think, you know what, it makes me feel good, man. It makes me really feel good, man. And there's nothing wrong with it. So what? That's what they say. But Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has indeed shown us the path, that in this world we will enjoy, and we will only enjoy the most when we discipline ourselves to the laws of the Maker. So when Allah has dedicated laws of marriage, for example, they are there in order for myself and yourselves to lead a much more blessed life, full of purity. When a person suffers anxiety, or sometimes when they have engaged in lots of sin, they begin to suffer anxiety because they don't know, and they have a bad relation with their own family members, with their spouse, with their children, perhaps with others, because they have been engaging in sin and they have wasted their time in this life. When a person is on his or her deathbed, what happens? The person begins to think, where am I going? And everyone else is saying, don't worry, you'll be okay, everything will be fine. And this person is sitting on the deathbed. And this is people, may Allah grant cure to all those who are sick and ill, even those who are terminally ill. Believe me, there is a miracle of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that will cure you. May Allah grant you cure.